Good.
Alright, so yun guys, welcome to Coffee Gus to. And before natin tikman yung mga pagkain na inihanda nila para sa atin, let me give you a tour of the place. Actually, this is it. Isa sang parang old train station cafe. And then, yung mga tables natin are actually wood. So, for me, it's suitable for a date o kaya naman you go as a group. They can actually accommodate you. Around 30 to 40 people siguro at a given time pwedeng ma-accommodate dito. So serious. Gutom na ako. Actually, while we are photo shooting tsaka video shooting, syempre, natatakam na kami guys. Super. Look at that. I can eat it. For the drinks, inhanda nila sa atin, 1 for each category. So, meron tayong 8 drinks today. From here, so we have espresso. We also have non-espresso. We have frap. So, mga mahilig sa mga frap dyan. Meron din tayong milk tea. And then, meron din tayong Yakult series. And I think my partner Mark is gonna love this one. Parang siyang 8 ganun. Wow. This is a full table, bro.
Yeah, so different kinds of category. Meron tayong burger, pasta, rice. All-day breakfast meron din tayo dito. And syempre, appetizer natin. So on our table, meron tayo dito yung chicken adobo flakes. So ito daw yung pinagmamalaki ng Coffee Gusto. So ito yung must try daw. So at the same time, meron tayong double patty burger, Salisbury. For appetizer naman, meron tayong nachos and yung kanilang fries. So pasta naman, so yung carbonara and yung kanilang spicy Spanish sardines. And additional sa mga sandwiches natin is yung kanilang chicken fillet burger. And for our dessert, meron tayong cookies, pistachio cake, and chocolate cake. Ang pinagmamalaking chicken adobo flakes, which is, ito daw is one of their best seller dito sa may Coffee Gusto. Sarap na.
Alright, so let's try this one. It's called spicy Spanish sardine. Look at that. Alright, so maganda guys. Spread out natin to. Just like that. And then, let's try it.
This is their chicken fillet sandwich. So, feeling ko ito busog na busog ka rin. Let's taste it.
So big.
Ito yung mga food para sa mga nagda-diet. Kasi chicken na siya. At the same time, meron siyang veggies. And may carbs siya for the bread. This is good.
Double patty burger. Wow, in fairness, mabigat. Double patty. Let's get it on. In fairness, so let's start with the bun. Yung bun pa lang guys, parang brioche bun yung ginamit na. So milky, little bit sweet, hindi siya dry. Now comes yung pinaka meat natin. Napakaraming herbs na ginamit dito. After you bite it, talagang sobrang sasabog na yung fragrance ng mga herbs. Cheers! Alright, so guys, before we let you go, titikman natin yung kanilang mga
Desserts.
desserts. And so far bro, how is your experience?
Nag-enjoy ako lalong-lalo na sa kanila chicken adobo flakes, which is yung kanilang all-day breakfast dito. Kaya talagang feeling ko yun yung babalikan ko dito.
Ako naman guys, pansin nyo, tinikman ko lahat. Ako personally, sobrang nasatisfy ako sa mga pagkain.
Especially yung kanilang burger, yung double patty burger.
So guys, it's for you to find out kami. Sobrang nasatisfy kami. So
Address natin dito sa may Cafe Gusto. This is located sa may Fil-Am Highway. So ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, nakatabi lang siya ng The Site Events Place. And they are open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
alright, so there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers guys. Bye.